Now that we have a blank sketch, let's look at another common sketch tool. You saw how easy the line tool was to use. The rectangle tool is similar. It too has a drop-down menu and contains a number of methods of creating a rectangle. I'll select the basic corner rectangle. Once activated, all you do is click somewhere to begin the rectangle and click again to end it. If you prefer the click-drag method that we saw earlier, you can use it to create rectangles as well. You will notice in the Property Manager that I can choose to switch to one of the other rectangle tools without having to exit the tool altogether. If you look closely at the icons, you'll see points and a number associated to each point. Each point is a mouse click in the graphics area, and the number is what order the click is in. I'll switch to the Center Rectangle tool, and you'll notice I need the first click to be the middle of the rectangle, and the second click is a corner. I'll move to the graphics area. Click once for the middle and once for a corner. You can also click and drag this tool as well if you prefer. The next rectangle tool is the 3-point corner rectangle. This tool requires 3 clicks, and each click will be a corner of the rectangle. I can also click and drag this tool. I'll click and drag from the first point to the second point. Release the mouse button and click and drag from the second to the third point. Next is the 3-point center rectangle. I'll click once for the center, once for the middle of a side, and once more for a corner. Finally, I have the parallelogram tool, which needs 3 clicks for each of its corners. One more thing about the drop-down menus. If I select the parallelogram from the rectangle drop-down menu, you can see that the parallelogram icon replaces the original corner rectangle in the toolbar. If I want to use the corner rectangle tool that used to open when I selected this icon, I have to open the drop-down menu and select it. Otherwise, the parallelogram icon is now the default tool. This consolidated Property Manager is also used in the Circle and Arc tools, which we will discuss in the next lesson.